for Science: The Young Inventor's Journey. Kyle always loved science. One day, his teacher announced a school science fair, sparking his imagination. He decided to build a model rocket. Kyle gathered materials but realized he was missing some key parts. With his parents' help, he found what he needed at a hobby shop. Kyle started assembling his rocket with enthusiasm. Building the rocket was harder than he thought. Kyle faced challenges but learned from each mistake. He researched rocket designs and applied new ideas. Kyle's rocket was taking shape, and he felt proud. At the science club, he shared his progress and received helpful feedback. Kyle felt inspired by his friends' support. The launch day arrived. Kyle was nervous. His rocket had a small glitch, but he managed to fix it just in time. His rocket launched successfully. Kyle watched in awe as it soared into the sky. He didn't win the first prize, but was happy with what he achieved. Kyle learned the value of perseverance and innovation. Kyle realized science was about exploration and discovery. He eagerly anticipated his next scientific adventure. Do you like the story? Hope you can give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more stories.